Most advanced Garmin running and outdoor sports watches come equipped with built-in maps. When you're engaged in outdoor activities, you can directly view maps on your watch to know your real-life location. In general, after you start an outdoor activity, you will see the map on the last data page. If not, press the middle up button on the left to access the running menu. Choose Data Screens, and then scroll down to Add New. Scroll down to the map. After adding, you can press the up or down button to change the screen order. This way, you can view maps during your activity. If you want to change the layout of your map page, you can go to Map, press the Start Dot button in the upper right corner. Select Layout. Here, you can choose from 4 different layout designs, including Display No Data, 6 types of data, 3 types of data on the left, displaying only 1 type of data, or 2 types of data. You can also reselect the data you need from Data Fields. If you need to use the map navigation feature, please refer to the video tutorial, learn more about map navigation on your Garmin watch. For more assistance, please visit support.garmin.com.